Forget everything you have heard about running ads and doing SEO. That's the most boring advice on the planet. I'm about to give you 3 insane hacks that targeting people who were already about to buy from you. These are the exact step-by-step strategies the biggest stores are using to print money right now. Don't click away or you are just leaving cash on the table. First up, we are using dynamic retargeting. Think about it. Someone visit your stores, click on a product, maybe even put in their cart and then disappears. But if you could follow them with an ad showing them that exact product they just looked at, it haunts them, it reminds them they wanted it, and it make them buy. This one hack alone can recover so many sales you thought were gone forever. Number 2, you need to be making shoppable Instagram reels. Seriously, people are scrolling reels to be entertained, not to read a sales pitch. So, make a quick fun video unboxing or using your product. Then you just tag the product and with one tap they can buy it instantly. There's almost zero friction. For anyone in fashion, beauty, or anything visuals, this is basically an impulse buy generator. And for the third hack, we are bringing customers back from the dead with win back emails. You are going to create a special list of customers who have not bought from you in a few months. Then you hit them with a personalized offer they literally can't refuse, like a special bundle or a unique discount. Open rates on these emails are tough the roof because it feels like a personal message, not just another promotion. So stop guessing. These 3 tactics are simple, they are incredibly powerful, and they just plain work. Go try them. And if you want even more hacks that will actually make you money and grow your store, smash that subscribe button. You are not gonna want to miss what's next. This is Ali signing off the mic.